Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best 4K security cameras on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Realink 4K Security Camera System. The Realink 4K Security Camera System offers comprehensive coverage for large areas, featuring 8 cameras and 16 channels. Its third-party compatibility extends the option to connect additional cameras from different manufacturers. While the 6 TB storage may seem somewhat limited, it can be sufficient when using the 8 included cameras. Each camera in the system is equipped with built-in microphones, ensuring clear and crisp audio recordings. The system supports remote access from both Apple and Android devices, providing convenience and flexibility for monitoring. Overall, with its extensive camera coverage, audio capabilities, and remote access features, the Realink 4K Security Camera System is a versatile and reliable option for comprehensive surveillance. Number 2. SOSI 4K Ultra HD Security Camera System. SOSI, a relatively new player in the security camera market, offers an impressive option with its 4K Ultra HD system. This comprehensive package includes 4 cameras and an 8-channel support box, ensuring broad coverage and flexibility for various surveillance needs. The built-in 2 TB hard drive provides ample storage for video recordings. Notably, the cameras boast IP67 water resistance, making them resilient for outdoor use and suitable for diverse weather conditions. The inclusion of night vision with an extensive 200-foot range enhances the system's capabilities for around-the-clock surveillance. SOSI combines cost-effectiveness with advanced features, making the 4K Ultra HD system an attractive choice for those seeking a reliable and high-quality home security solution. Number 3. OSXX 4K Home Security System. The OSXX 4K Home Security System offers exceptional value, combining affordability with advanced features. With 4 cameras included in the package and the flexibility to expand to 8 channels, this system ensures comprehensive coverage. Despite the initial 2 TB of storage, the capacity can be extended up to a generous 10 TB, providing ample space for a 4-camera security setup. The system offers 2 operational modes, allowing users to choose between motion detection and continuous recording based on their preferences. Notably, all cameras boast IP67 weather resistance, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With its balance of functionality and cost-effectiveness, the OSXX 4K Home Security System stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking a robust surveillance solution for their property. Number 4. Onwote 16-channel 4K. The Onwote security system emerges as a robust and comprehensive solution, making it well-suited for large residences or business premises. Offering an expansive package with 16 cameras and a substantial 4 TB of internal storage, expandable up to 20 TB, this system ensures thorough surveillance coverage. While the night vision range is limited to 100 feet, the system compensates with its sheer number of cameras, providing extensive coverage for enhanced security. Notably, all 16 cameras are equipped with water-resistant features, ensuring durability and making them suitable for installation in exposed areas. With its comprehensive features and adaptability, the Onwote security system stands as a reliable choice for those seeking an extensive monitoring solution for larger properties or commercial spaces, delivering peace of mind and enhanced security. Number 5. OSXX 4K Security Camera System. The OSXX 4K Security Camera System presents a comprehensive surveillance solution with an array of features. This system encompasses a wireless IP kit, standalone DVRs, 4 Ultra HD cameras, and even a mini CarView camera, catering to diverse security needs. With 8 compatible channels supporting high-definition cameras, it ensures versatile coverage. The IP67 water-resistant rating for all components enhances their durability, making them suitable for various environments. The inclusion of advanced night vision technology with infrared LEDs contributes to reliable monitoring even in low-light conditions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.